So what you guys need to do is provide sound effects for the scene for these two whenever they're doing the act in the scene. So they may ask for a sound effect, or they may you may provide one at any time. You'll be the sound effect machine for Rick, and you'll be the sound machine for Mike. Let's go ahead and try this out. Let's see if it works. And speak really close to the mic and be loud. And the more funny or the more weird the noise is, the more that they have to make it look good. So Rick, why don't you go ahead and try out your sound machine?
All right, let me just nail this nail.
You got a few good down there. Once again, keep the mic right next to your face, ready to go. And why don't you try yours one out?
Listen to my lovely bell.
Bing, 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 bing,
It keeps going. It keeps going.
bing, 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 bing.
I think we got the two right people up there. Excellent. So let's go ahead. These two are on an epic journey to discover or find something. What are they looking for?
Treasure.
Treasure.
Aren't we all?
It was their lost sock.
Your lost sock, which is also a treasure. Let me say that right now. You spent at least $2 on that sock. So a lost sock is what you guys on the epic journey for, and action.
Look, I don't care. It has to be in there. So physics say it has to be in there.
Well, I don't see it.
It has to be in there. Dude!
Careful!
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard
It's
it.
very otherworldly.
It's just probably the cat in the attic. It's okay. See?
Why did we buy a house in Amityville? God, we're stupid!
Look, I'm going to put what's in the washer into the dryer, and maybe it'll show up, right? You should get some WD-40 for that, by the way.
I have this old oil can. Oh, it's like all at once. The old guys, how did they do anything?
You just threw the can away.
I know, and it's so quiet. Apparently I have a pretty good arm. Oh, sorry. Sometimes I feel like I'm in like kung fu theater. If stuff doesn't wind up right.
I'm just going to start it, okay? That works.
You know,
Everything you touch breaks. Oh, listen to it run now.
oh God, the baby! No, not in there.
This not in there? He's not in there?
I'm sorry. Here, let me pick this.
Now it's all dirty.
What is this?
It's
Bing, bing, bing.
Stupid bell again!
look.
That thing is possessed.
It is not. Listen.
Bing,
See, it's just fine.
bing,
It's just great.
bing.
See?
Whenever I do it, see nothing.
Everything you touch goes wrong. Listen.
Bing.
Listen. Nothing. See? All right.
I've been practicing my ventriloquism. I'm sorry.
Okay. All right.
I need some fresh air in here. Contractors really? Oh, that's really cheap install.
Listen to those beautiful birds singing outside. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that nice?
Yeah, but do you hear that wind?
Is there a hurricane warning? Hold on. I'm going to turn on this on the radio station. I don't think it's plugged in. It's the mariachi station.
Let's see!